Motherboard BIOS flash tools are essential for updating firmware, improving stability, enabling new CPU support, and fixing system compatibility issues. My today's video is about top 5 best motherboard BIOS that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Russell Motherboard BIOS. This professional BIOS refresh kit is designed as a practical solution for technicians and advanced users who need reliable firmware-level maintenance and recovery for MacBook systems. Supporting MacBook, MacBook Air, and MacBook Pro models from 2010 to 2017, it provides broad compatibility for legacy Apple hardware servicing. The kit enables efficient BIOS-level adjustments such as firmware restoration, configuration tuning, and system recovery tasks, making it valuable for troubleshooting and device refurbishment workflows. With included Windows-compatible drivers and intuitive control software, users gain streamlined access to essential operations without complex setup. Its ribbon cable debugging support enhances precision handling across multiple boards, while the solder-free design significantly reduces repair difficulty and saves time during maintenance. Comprehensive resources, including detailed manuals and operating software, ensure a smoother learning curve for professionals and hobbyists alike. Now our second product is Furuo Motherboard BIOS. The CH341A USB BIOS programmer is a practical and widely used tool for EEPROM and SPI flash chip maintenance, especially in the embedded systems programming domain. It supports 24 series EEPROM and 25 series SPI flash chips in SOP8 and SOP16 formats, making it suitable for BIOS recovery, firmware backup, and chip-level programming tasks. Its clip-based design allows direct in-circuit operation, eliminating the need to dull older chips, which significantly reduces repair time and risk of damage. The included DIP8 cable and adapters support multiple chip sizes and configurations, enhancing versatility for different motherboard repairs. While it supports reading many chips efficiently, certain models like ESMT SST25 series may have write limitations, which users must consider. Compatible software enables functions such as reading, writing, erasing, and verification, providing a complete workflow for diagnostics and restoration. The third product is Godi Module's Motherboard BIOS. The CH347 EEPROM and BIOS USB programmer is a powerful upgrade over traditional tools like the CH341A programmer, offering improved speed, stability, and broader compatibility for firmware-level tasks. Designed to support both 25 series SPI flash and 24 series EEPROM chips, it is well suited for BIOS recovery, firmware flashing, and embedded system maintenance. Its automatic chip recognition for 25 SPI flash devices simplifies workflow by reducing manual configuration errors, while batch mode support significantly enhances efficiency for technicians handling multiple devices. Operating at a stable 5V working voltage, it ensures consistent performance during long programming sessions. One of its standout advantages is support for high-capacity chips up to 512-bit, making it suitable for modern, larger firmware storage requirements. Additionally, TTL support expands its versatility for advanced hardware debugging. Now number 4, ASRock Motherboard BIOS. The CH341A programmer with SOP8 clip is a practical and widely used solution for BIOS recovery and EEPROM maintenance in the embedded systems programming domain. Its SOIC8/SOP8 test clip allows in-circuit programming of 24CXX, 25CXX, and 93CXX EEPROM chips, eliminating the need to physically remove chips from the motherboard, which greatly reduces repair time and risk of damage. The device supports essential operations such as reading, writing, erasing, and backing up firmware, making it a versatile tool for BIOS servicing and hardware diagnostics. It is compatible with most 24 and 25 series EEPROM BIOS chips in SOP8 and SOP16 formats, though users should note limitations where certain SST/ESMT25 series chips may only support read functions. Additionally, Some motherboard designs or surrounding circuits may interfere with direct clipping, requiring careful inspection before use. And our last choice is Fane 1 Motherboard BIOS. This SOP8 programming clip kit is a practical accessory for in-circuit chip programming, especially for EEPROM and SPI flash chips in the 24, 25, 26, and 93 series commonly used in the embedded systems programming. Designed for chips with a 1.27mm pin pitch, it enables direct online programming of SOP8 chips already soldered onto circuit boards, eliminating the need for desoldering and significantly reducing repair time and risk of damage to the board. This makes it highly useful for BIOS recovery, firmware updates, and diagnostic work on motherboards and electronic devices. The included clip, cable, and adapter board provide essential connectivity for a complete setup. However, users must handle the clip carefully, as it is a delicate component and can be easily damaged if excessive force is applied. Additionally, proper alignment is critical for stable communication with the chip. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.